Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to prepare mutton liver fry. For that I have taken 1 kg of mutton liver. I have washed and keep it aside for draining water. Then we need 2 strings of curry leaves, 3 big shallots. If you have small shallots, you can take 10 to 15. 1 piece of ginger chopped, 7 or 8 cloves of garlic, then we need 1 teaspoon of fennel powder, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala and 1 teaspoon of red chilli powder. One tablespoon of mutton masala, 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, salt as needed. Then we need fennel seeds, 1 teaspoon, crushed red chilli, 1½ teaspoon, and pepper powder, 1 teaspoon. So let's see how we are going to prepare this. First we have to marinate the mutton liver with half of this mutton masala, one-third of turmeric powder, one-third teaspoon of pepper powder, and salt. We can marinate it. With this I am adding 5 or 6 curry leaves and 2 or 3 small pieces of ginger. So it will give a good fragrance. I am going to keep it aside for marination to 10 to 15 minutes and I am keeping the lid. So while keeping this mutton liver for marination, we can do chopping the shallots, and we have to crush ginger, garlic and the fennel seeds. So I am going to prepare mutton liver fry now. So let's see how we are going to prepare. For that I have kept one pan. It's hot now. So I am going to add coconut oil. Once the oil is hot, I am going to add chopped shallots, Then I am going to add the curry leaves. Can break and keep. For this type of mutton liver fry, shallots are the best than the onions. So it will give a good flavor for the mutton fry. Once the shallots change to a good color, I am going to add crushed ginger, garlic and fennel seeds. Mix well. Once the ginger, garlic and fennel changes to a good color, I am going to add turmeric powder. Once the raw smell goes, I am going to add the remaining powders like chili powder, garam masala and fennel powder. Now mix it well. Once the raw smell goes from all masalas, I am going to add now the marinated liver. Liver is having water content, so we don't need to add water. Liver is a good source of hemoglobin. After adding the liver, mix it well. So masala has to coat everywhere. Once you mix with masala, you can keep it for cooking. For that I am going to close the lid. You can keep it in a medium flame and we have to wait until it cooks. It's been 15 minutes of cooking and let's see how it cooks. As I said, see, you can see the water from the liver. It needs more cooking time. So before I am going to keep the lid, I am going to add now the chili flakes. If you want to reduce the spice level, you can reduce. And I am going to add the mutton masala. And the pepper powder. Remaining pepper powder. And salt. Let's give a good mix. After given a good mix, I am going to keep it again for cooking, and I am going to close with the lid. After 15 minutes, I have opened the lid, and now you can see water is there. So we want to make it dry. So I am keeping it open, and again I am keeping it in the medium flame for 15-20 minutes. In between, we can stir it and let it cook until the water completely absorbs. If you want, you can check salt level and spice level this time, and if you want, you can add more. Here I am going to add half tablespoon of pepper powder, more pepper powder. Salt it. After 5 minutes, as you can see, all the water dried out and it cooked well. So I am going to switch off the flame. For me, it takes almost 40 to 45 minutes to cook. Mutton liver fry is ready. Mutton liver fry is ready. It's a good source of hemoglobin. You can serve this with rice or as a starter. Hope you like this recipe. Please do like, share and subscribe, and press the bell icon to get the notification. Thank you for watching. Thank you.